Hi guys, today we will talk about how to control high quality video on your Twitch or videos on your Twitter app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that. All you have to do is to just go up. We'll click here on this picture here on app, then it's going to show for us window like this. And you just go down here, you click here on settings and support here, then it's going to show for you like this. You click here on settings and privacy, and it's going to take you here in this window. So just go down here, you come here to accessibility, display and languages, and you come to next window here. So then you just click here on data usage, then you come to next window here. So just go down, you come here to high quality video, you will click here, and here you control if you want to play it or add it on mobile data and Wi-Fi, or Wi-Fi all day or never. So that's all you have to do. I wish you are great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.